how to share a movie or a film from IMDb to Facebook or Twitter. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to imdb.com and choose the movie that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one right here. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to the top right here, click on this little icon, and you have Facebook or Twitter. I'm gonna click on Facebook, and it will take you directly to Facebook, as you can see, and you can share it from here. And also, if you want to share it to Twitter, click on Twitter, and here you go, you can change it to Twitter directly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful. See you later, and thank you so much.